My name is Keighty Gallagher, and I'm a personal trainer and creator of Tight Club Athletics, which is a fun and friendly fitness community based out of Vancouver, BC. I've been spending a lot of time down here in Ventura, but I would say that my home base is up in Vancouver. I originally wanted to film this and have you get to know me on the track. I guess the reason why I wanted to take us to the track is because that's kind of where my movement journey began. I remember the first time I ever went to a track, I was 9 years old. And we kind of lived close to the track. I grew up on a farm, but it was kind of like a one-song distance away from town and school. And I remember it was the day before our high school track meet, or not high school, elementary school track meet. And I really wanted to go to the track to practice because, you know, it's important to practice the night before anything, really. So my parents took me to the track, and I saw this badass gal sprinting hurdles around the track, and I was like, wow, that looks so freaking cool. And the next year I signed up for the Comox Valley Cougars and kind of found myself on this incredible journey of learning about my body. I developed this program to help you feel like an athlete. We play with elements of power, agility, coordination, strength training, and I think it's a really liberating workout because not only is it extremely physical, obviously we give a lot of opportunities to regress or progress based on where you're at, but I think a really important part of this workout, and this you'll find in the rest of the workouts that I've produced, are the elements where we really have to check in with ourselves, and with a big emphasis on being curious and kind with how your body's reacting to this kind of training. I kind of feel like this is one of those workouts that can be a benchmark where you can come back to every month or every few months to kind of test out where you're at. There's a few different types of challenges that I've included in this workout that you're able to measure, let's say, how many rounds you can get or how many reps you can get in your rounds, which is why I think that this is a great workout that you can kind of come back to from time and time again. I guess the two main themes that you'll find in this class are plyometric training and compound strength training. And I'm a huge fan of plyometric training. As an ex-track athlete, this is the main form of my training. It trains for power and speed and explosivity. So I was really happy to have the opportunity to bring in some of my own training expertise into these workouts. It's a pretty athletic workout, and I acknowledge that not all of us can be jumping around all the time. So compound strength training is a really, really great way to keep your heart rate up while challenging your entire body, core included. So there's a nice little piece of that. I feel like this workout was a little bit self-indulgent, probably more so than the other ones, but that's okay because it just is. It's okay, right? Because I love what I do, and I loved my time as a track athlete, and you'll probably see it in the video that I'm actually having a good time teaching it as well.